Hi, I'm Crockpot Ambassador Poh, and I'm about to show you how to make a chicken and pistachio korma using the Crockpot Express Easy Release Multicooker. If you're someone that's a little bit intimidated eating or working with spice, this is a perfect one to start off with. This is a Northern Indian korma. It uses spices in a very subtle way, and it's so easy and uses very little spices. We start off with this wonderful bowl of goodness, which is already so fragrant, and what it has in it is onion, ginger, green chilies, pistachio and garlic. Simply blitz all of that into a blender until you get this paste, and you have most of your job for this recipe done. To start off with, we're going to pop some oil in here. Olive or any vegetable-based oil is fine. And then we're going to pop in this spice mix. Now, a lot of people are like, oh, the oil's not hot. It's absolutely fine. We want to cook this really gently, just to sweat it down, not to brown it, okay? Very important. We do not want to brown this. You do want to keep moving this around so it doesn't catch on the bottom, because we don't want browning. We want a really gentle cooking of those aromatics with the nuts and the chili, and really just reduce that liquid out of it. That's all we're doing. To help with it not browning, I'm going to add salt. Adding that salt will just keep helping draw out that moisture and stopping those sugars from developing too quickly. You can see there's quite a lot of steam. Just keep moving this mixture so it doesn't catch on the bottom. At the end of it, you really want something that looks the texture of a really thick mashed potato. Okay, we're ready for the next part of the recipe, but I'll just show you. See, it's quite thick now. We're going to add water, just a little bit to loosen up the mixture, some coriander, white pepper, and the chicken. Of course, chicken thighs, because they're really flavorful and stay super tender no matter what you do to them. So I'm just folding that mixture through, and you'll find that it looks very pasty. Don't worry, as the chicken cooks, it will release some moisture and make some beautiful gravy. I'm going to shut the lid now. I'm going to pop this on meat poultry and reduce it to 15 minutes. And then press stop start. I just love this recipe because it's another one that you can do in the Crockpot Express, all in one pot. Less washing is always good. Now to open the easy release dial, and that will decompress very safely. I love the reassurance of this lid not opening if it hasn't properly depressurized. Hey presto. That smells so good. Okay. We've got garam masala, cream, and yogurt. And you don't need to cook this again. Those ingredients will just warm up in the residual heat. But what you do want to do is have a taste and season if necessary. Oh wow, that is so flavorful. There's that beautiful nuttiness that comes from the pistachios and that really mild spice that's just seamlessly pervaded through that. And you get a little bit of a kick from that green chili as well. We're ready to plate, and I've got some fluffy, beautiful basmati here, which of course can be pre-cooked on the rice grains function on the Crockpot Express. So good. I'm just gonna pop a couple of sprigs of coriander on top for garnish, and then maybe some naan. Delicious. I'm gonna dive in. Oh, just wouldn't think you would get this much flavor using only 2 spices. And that's it. That's my delicious chicken pistachio korma made in the Crockpot Express Easy Release Multicooker.